welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be opening my June subscription from Glam Planner, and I just get the Luxe or the Deluxe. I'm not sure what she really calls it, but anyway, if you don't want a spoiler, if you haven't received yours yet and you don't want a spoiler, then you can go ahead and click out of the video now, because I'm about to open up mine and I can't wait to see what it is. I did see the colors, but that's all I've seen. I just saw the colors that were peeping out of the top. So here we go. Okie dokie, I'm really excited to see how this is gonna lay out and what it's gonna look like. I want to use it right away, I'm pretty sure, because it is so very summer specific. But again, you can see Mr. Kit June 2020, and like I said, I get the Deluxe, so it includes your different additional boxes along with some foils. I'm ready to go in for this. I love this double box. I have placed an order with her for some of the double box extenders that match this size, and I can't wait for those to get in because I want to use those. I have so much going on that I want to use this for this week as a memory plan with me, and so I can't wait to get that so I can do that. Really, really cute. I love the colors. This is your box sampler, I think she calls it, and here are some fashion girls. We have your fashion girls in the different skin tones and hair colors, which I just love. I'm really not even sure which one I would use. This is probably my hair color here, but the redhead, oh, she's so pretty. I don't know, but anyway, you get that. You have your glitter headers. Again, guys, these colors are so spot on for June and summer time to me. They just are. And here we have our extra boxes. I love when you get extra boxes. This one is absolutely beautiful. I love that she's using her camera and you've got that boat in the background. So stinking cute. I mean, look at that Polaroid, guys. How cute is that? Okay, so that's your little extras that, you know, is part of the kit without going into the foil. So we'll go into the foil last. I wanted to show you these amazing full boxes. Guys, I love this art. I was never really a big fan of the float. I've seen this, but the way that it's done with the little brown dog is just too cute. I really like that a lot. Love this. Oh my gosh, these are just so stinking cute, and I love that you have like a full box scene here. Oh my gosh, I love this. Absolutely love this. These colors are beautiful. Okay, then we've got our checklist boxes. You have the water in the background. I don't use these very much anymore, but it's nice to have them if you need something extra, if you need an extra check box on the sidebar or something like that. Additional, even more full boxes. These are so sweet. Okay, guys, this is amazing. I love how much extra. This is gonna definitely help me get 2 layouts. I'll probably do one in my Erin Condren, obviously, and then I'll probably do the smaller one in my print impressions weekly. So yeah, it's gonna be fun having all of these extra boxes. I love the colors, just love the colors. Okay, we have even more glitter headers, which is just awesome. I definitely prefer the squared off boxes nowadays. These have kind of gotten, I don't know, maybe dated is the word. I just don't like to use them that much. To me, I like the cleanness of that squared off corner and all those boxes. Okay, and here we have our deco and scripts page. So, so cute. The little planner, she's made it with the beach ball scene on the front of it. That's just so cute. Love the little drinks. Love all of these really cute little things. Love all of this, and I love that she does include a small weekend banner and the Glam Planner Happy Mail. I think it's really cute, and the smaller weekend banner there, aside from this one, that'll be good for me to use in my PP weeks. So stinking cute. Okay, here are your littles and your circle icons with some extra boxes. Here we have the hydrate. I'll probably put those in my PP weeks also. I'm so glad that she's changed these up. She's done several reformats, and I'm really, really happy about what she decided to do. Here we have our headers, and we have our solid washi and printed washi. Let me see if I can get it apart. Doesn't want to come unstuck, but you can see the colors there too. And then we have our bottom washi date covers, and these, if you work, you can mark your work hours. So that is so pretty. Now let's go back into the full boxes and maybe these, because I'm not really sure what the foil is going to overlay. So let's see here. This is hot pink. Oh wow, we get 2 different colors. Ooh. Okay, this is awesome. So this one will fit over these really well. You can see where they will go. They highlight all of the pink here and here. You've got your half cut headers here. I love the mixed foil. Okay, and here we have turquoise. So you have your half cut headers, you have your bottom washi, a couple of box overlays. And I love the fact that you've got this, will go over your double box. Oh gosh, how pretty. I'm not sure if this one goes over these. I think that one does. That one goes over this one. And then, let's see, probably one of these goes over one of the girls, wouldn't you imagine? It's kind of hard to tell. Yeah, it's kind of hard to tell what this would go over. Maybe it's these that are in the kit. Let's see. Let's see if we can find out where these go. It's kind of hard to tell. Oh well guys, it really doesn't matter except for the fact that you know that you've got plenty of half cut headers. You've got overlay boxes that I'm sure you can eventually find out without any problem. I love that you get the turquoise and the hot pink. It's really, really pretty. And I just think that it's awesome for this kit. There's so many amazing extras. I'm so excited to be getting this again. I just think it's perfect. It's just perfection. So guys, if you are not already subscribed, then you can get the same basic thing that I get if you just subscribe to just the deluxe. I do not have any of the teenies or anything like that. I just purchase those separately if I want, a particular sheet of them. But yeah, guys, I'm excited to get the foil, and I'm really excited to play with this kit. I think it's going to be awesome in my planner. So that's going to be it. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. And also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there and hit the notification bell too. That way you'll always know when I upload. I've been trying really, really hard to upload regularly over the last week. Pray for me. Think positive thoughts, good vibes, whatever, that I'm able to keep it going and not slack off. It's kind of hard to do that sometimes, especially with the way the world is right now and how heavy things can be. So yeah, just, help me push forward, guys. Leave me a little comment below. Let me know that you were watching and that you want to see me continue uploading. And I hope that you do. Guys, I hope you have a great rest of the weekend and upcoming week. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.